Hey superstars, it's your girl Malika, aka Miss Magic, back with another video. Alright guys, we do not have an In-N-Out in Chicago, and I've been dying to make this Flying Dutchman, so that's what we're going to do. But first, if you are new here, welcome to my channel. Thank you for coming. Go ahead, hit that subscribe button for me, give me a big thumbs up, and hit that notification bell so you can be alerted when I do post another video. Alright guys, I'm excited. Let's get straight into this burger. First things first, we're going to season this ground beef. So first I'm going to add a little bit of Slap Your Mama seasoning. And I'm going to add some sizzling burger. I got this from my local Save-A-Lot. It's a game changer for your burgers. Next I'm going to add some garlic powder, some black pepper, of course, for all burgers, you need a little Worcestershire sauce. And now we're going to add an egg for our binder. This keeps the meat together. Now we're going to go ahead and mix it all up, guys. Evenly distributing all of our seasonings to our burger. Next, we're going to go ahead and we're going to form all of our burgers into a ball. And you want your ball to be a little bit bigger than an average meatball. So we're going to go ahead and form those up because we're going to go and we're going to smash them. This is about 1.5 pounds of ground beef. So for 1.5 pounds of ground beef, I was able to get 8 burgers. Now I'm working with 2 cast iron skillets. We're going to go ahead and get these heated up. Pour a little olive oil in both of them. And we're going to get to frying our onions that I've already chopped up. So I'm going to start caramelizing these onions, but I want to give them a nice brown color first in the oil. So I'm going to let them sit. I'm going to add a tablespoon of butter, and this helps with the caramelization process. And guys, I didn't mention, if you don't know what a Flying Dutchman is, it's simply a burger that is using onions for the bun. These are sweet Vidalia onions, by the way, huge sweet Vidalia onions. Alright guys, so after about 5 minutes of them browning, we're going to go ahead and flip those over. Very carefully, because like I told you, the onion is your bun, so you want to kind of keep it intact. I'm going to put that back together. Once you flip it over, go ahead and add another tablespoon of butter. Once you've added that butter, you want to turn down your heat and you want to put it on a slow simmer so you can caramelize the onions. It takes about 15 minutes. Now we are ready to do our burgers. So I'm going to put a little bit of olive oil in the pan, and this just helps with the burgers not sticking if your pan is not seasoned. So go ahead and put your burgers in. We're going to let those brown on the bottom for about a minute before we get to smashing them. Okay, now this is how I smash my burgers, guys. I use my potato masher and I use my slicer thingy, and that's how I mash my burgers. If you have one of those burger mashers, fine, but I don't, so this is the easiest way. And make sure you smash it as flat as possible. And this helps with the aid of cooking, and I don't know, it just makes your burgers taste really, really good if you haven't had a smash burger. So we're going to go ahead and take the other one, and we're going to do the same thing. Smash it as flat as possible. There we go. Once they're smashed, you don't have to cook them. Maybe cook them about 1 to 2 minutes on both sides, depending on how you like your burger. This is well done, so we're going to do 2 minutes per side. Once your burgers are cooked the way you like them, we're going to go ahead and add cheese. I'm going to add 1 slice of Kobe Jack and 1 slice of American. I'm going to go ahead and put my top on for about a minute just to melt the cheese. After that minute, we are ready to assemble our burger. So we have our 1 slice of caramelized onions. We're going to go ahead and take our burger and place it on top. Then I'm going to take that other burger and place that on top. Now, I know you all be seeing people make this secret sauce. I bought my secret sauce because I ain't got time for that. So this is my secret sauce by Ranch, and it is very good. Also, I'm going to add an aioli sauce, Ranch Hellman's garlic, and we're going to spread a little bit of that on there. Then I'm going to take my sliced banana peppers, pour a little juice on there, and then I'm going to top it with some banana peppers. Now we're going to take our top of our onion bun and slice it on and put it on our burger. And voila, she is done. Don't she look beautiful? Honey, and she tastes just as good as she looks, trust me. Alright guys, we're going to go ahead and fold her up because this burger is messy. Go ahead and fold a lip underneath your burger. I'm going to show you exactly how to do it. So you're going to fold that lip under your burger with this is wax paper. And you just wrap your burger up in the wax paper. And now she's ready to eat. Let's smash it. Let's smash this burger. Alright guys, let's dig into this burger. Y'all ready? Oh my goodness, this is so good. The onion, super sweet, super savory, burgers, perfection. I'm putting this in rotation, guys. Alright, I want to thank you for watching. Go ahead, hit that subscribe button for me, give me a big thumbs up, and hit that notification bell so you can be alerted when I do post another video. Going back in. Bro. Mm-mm.